What's up, Sandies? This is Dylan coming at you live from 9 Bird of Paradise Lane. Let's go ahead and walk it through. Nice paved driveway and 2-car garage. Directly into the foyer, we have our coat closet to the right. Door to the garage. And our living room, dining room combination. Peeking through to the kitchen. Going out this door, have our Florida room. Definitely more of a living room feel. Entertainment area, separate dining room, and a bar. Complete with shelves for glasses. Checking out your backyard as well. We'll get to that later. Let's check out the master suite. Off the right of the living room, we walk directly in. Plenty of natural light coming through those windows side by side. Cable outlet, outlets along the floor. Nice wood floor. Plenty of space even with what seems like a queen or king size bed. Full walk-in closet complete with shelves. And it wouldn't be a master suite without the bathroom. Single vanity. We have the tub room complete with a sink and a separate room for the toilet and shower. Tile throughout the bathroom areas. Back into some wood floor in the closet and main floor of the master. Tile in the living room complements the wall color very nicely. Checking out the kitchen now. Have a nice spacious open doorway. Range and very rustic countertops and cabinetry. To your laundry room back there. Look at the large sink, countertop, and dining room window. Same tile as throughout the living room. Heading into our laundry room, we have our washer dryer and a little doggy door to go out the back. Certainly won't fit the Huskies though. Got a little blurry there, but we're back on track. Now heading to check out our Florida room from the other side. This part is air conditioned with 2 fans. To your quiet backyard. Your awning covering your hot tub and seating area. Then another small dining area outside with a gate to go out the left of the lot. Now walking back through the kitchen to see the other 2 bedrooms. Have our first guest bedroom just off the main living area. Bit old-fashioned decor currently. Looking out of the front of the house. Still have this wood floor. And behind the doors are dual door accordion closet. Shelving up top and room for hangers. Heading back down the hallway, have our office space with closet, so it could also be a bedroom. And we finish out the hallway with your guest bathroom. As you can see, we have a tub shower combination currently with faucet, and then the toilet and single sink.